Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we will discuss another most important topic of mathematics is the expansion. What is the expansion? So basically expansion is nothing but the multiplication of algebraic expression. What is expansion? Expansion is the multiplication of algebraic expression. Then the multiplication of real number is known as product. So similarly multiplication of any algebraic expression are known as expansion. We have discussed different types of algebraic expressions according to its terms. So if number of terms in an algebraic expression is 1, it is known as monomial. Number of terms are 2, it is known as binomial. If number of terms are 3, it's a trinomial. So according to different types of algebraic expression, we will consider different ways of multiplication of algebraic expression. Clear students? So first we will discuss with the basic types of algebraic expression, which is monomial. So for the multiplication we have considered two monomials. So first type of multiplication is monomial with monomial. That means algebraic expression which consists of only one term whose multiplication with the another algebraic expression which is another monomial. So first type of multiplication is monomial with monomial, one term with one term. So term basically, for example, question number 1. Here we have to perform the multiplication of two algebraic expressions 3x and 2y. So it's a 3x into 2y. Done? 3x into 2y. So this 3x is one term. This 3x term consists of one variable x and its coefficient is 3. This 3 is one real number. This is known as coefficient of this x. Similarly, another term is one monomial which is 2y whose variable is y and constant term is 3. So for the multiplication of this monomial with this monomial, we simply multiply this 3 with this 2. So 3 2s are 6. So our constant part will be 6. Clear students? And then you have to perform the multiplication of that variable parts. So variables are x and y. So multiplication of this x and y is x into y, so which is nothing but the xy. Basically meaning of this 6xy is 6 into x into y. This 6 which is constant term which is in multiplication with the variable x and y. Clear? 3 and 2 you have to consider the multiplication of its only constant part. So it's a 3 into 2, so it's a 6 into multiplication of variables x into y, it's a 6xy. Clear? So along with the multiplication you have to consider the sign also. So here both the coefficients have the positive sign, so our answer is positive. Consider the second sum, which is also the example of monomial with monomial. So here we are multiplying this 2x with this minus 5y. So plus minus, so we know that multiplication of one plus term and one minus term will be minus. Plus minus minus. Multiplication of this constant part 2 5 are 10, so it will be 10, and multiplication of this variable part xy, it's a minus 10 xy, and normally we are writing the negative sign terms into bracket. Done. Now third sum, it's again monomial with monomial. So for the multiplication monomial with the monomial, we have to multiply constant part with the constant part. Here constant part means coefficient of the term. So here 4a is one term whose coefficient is 4, and a is one variable whose coefficient is 4. Here b is the variable whose coefficient is 3. Constant part is known as variable of the term. So multiplication of these coefficient parts, let's say 4 3s are 12, 12 into multiplication of variables a into b will be ab. Clear students? Now similarly here 5a square and 2b is there. So first the coefficient of this a square is 5, coefficient of this b is 2. So for the multiplication of this two term, we have to multiply this 5 with 2b. So here coefficient of this a square is 5 and coefficient of this 2b is 2. So first we have to perform the multiplication of this coefficient, which is 5 2s are 10. Then we have to perform the multiplication of these variables, which is a square into b, which is nothing but the a square b. Then here two variables are different, and that's why we are writing as a square multiplied by b as it is. But what if two variables are equal? Let us now consider example number 5. Here we have to multiply 6a square with 3a cube. It's a monomial with monomial, multiplication of monomial with monomial. So for that, first you have to multiply its coefficients, which is 3 and 6. So 6 3s are 18. Now here you have to consider the multiplication of these variables, which are nothing but the a square into a cube. A square multiplied by a cube. So here you can see that these are the two powers, two exponents we can say, whose base are equal. So we have to perform the addition of his power. So it's a raised to 2 plus 3, that is a raised to 5, that you have discussed in our 7th standard. If two powers are in multiplication, if their base are equal, so we can perform the addition of his exponents. So it's a 2 plus a, so it's a raised to 5. So a square into a cube is nothing but the a raised to 5. Clear students? Base equal, so we have to perform addition of his exponents. So now we have to check the variables with the same base. For example, let us now consider multiplication of this minus 3a square b with 3ab square. So again, this is one monomial, this is another monomial, so it's a multiplication of monomial with monomial. For that you have to consider the coefficient of this minus 3a square b and 3ab square is minus 3 into 3, so which is minus 9. Then multiplication of variables, that is a square into a, so it's a base equal, here power of a is 2, here power of a is 1, so base are equal and they're in multiplication, so we have to perform the addition of their power. So it's a 2 plus 1 3, so 2, it's a minus 9a cube. Again multiplication of b with this b square, so b into b square, again base are equal, they are in multiplication, so we have to perform addition of power. Power of b is 1, here power of b is 2, so their addition is 1 plus 2, which is b raised to 3. Now 7 sum, again for this multiplication you have to consider multiplication of that coefficient. So here coefficient is 2, here coefficient is minus 6, 1 plus 1 minus, so their multiplication is minus, so 2 3s are minus 6. Again coefficient of that variables, so here x raised to 4 is there, here x raised to 2 is there, so for the multiplication their base are equal, so here we have to perform addition of this power, so it's a 4 plus 2, so it's a 6, so it's a x raised to 6 is the answer. Now again for this multiplication of these two monomial, both coefficients are negative, so minus minus plus, so 9 5s are 45 is there, 45. Again x square into no term is there, so you have to write x square as it is, and multiplication of this y square with this y, so power 2 and power 1 is there, so their addition is y raised to 3. Base equal, they are in multiplication, perform addition of power, so it's a 2 plus 1, so it's a 3. Now similarly here minus minus plus, 4 4s are 16, 4 4 are 16, x into x, x square, and y into y, y square, 1 plus 1 2, and this is x plus x 1. Here only constant term is there, so you have to multiply this 10 with this 2, so 10 2s are 20, and this xy as it is, so it's a 20x. Clear students? So this is first basic expansion in which we have studied multiplication of monomial with monomial. So basically you have to remember, for the multiplication of monomial you have to multiply constant part with constant part and variable part with variable part. Now next type of multiplication is monomial with binomial. You have to multiply monomial with binomial. Monomial means polynomial having only one term, so consider this x which is only one term, and you have to multiply this monomial with binomial. Binomial means polynomial with two terms, so here consider one binomial having two terms which are y plus z, so two terms are combined with plus sign, so this is one monomial, this is one binomial and here we have to perform multiplication of this monomial with binomial. So it can be performed by multiplying this monomial with this first term plus again multiplying this monomial with this second term. So multiplying this monomial with first term, it will be x into y, so it's a xy, plus sign is there, so you have to put plus sign, and again you have to multiply this monomial with the second term. Two terms are there, first term and second term. First you have to multiply this monomial with first term, then the sign, and then again you have to multiply that monomial with the second term, which is x into z, which is xz. Clear, students? This is how you can perform the multiplication of monomial with binomial. So let's do some sums. So here we are given first multiply 2x with a plus b. So it's a type of monomial with binomial multiplication. So first this is monomial and this is a plus b. We can use plus sign or minus sign to separate the terms. So plus sign means these two terms are separated, so only two terms are there, and here only one term is there. So you have to multiply this one term with this two term. How it can be multiplied? So you have to multiply this first 2x with the first term. So it's a 2x into a. So it's a 2xa. Then the sign plus. यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई किया, अभी यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो 2x into b, which is 2xb. Clear? Now for this one, 3x into a minus c. So again you have to multiply this 3x with this a, then this 3x with c, and then you have to put the minus sign between. So 3x into a. So it's a 3x into a means multiplication of monomial with monomial. This is one coefficient, so 3 into 1. It's a 3. X into a. So it's a 3xa. Minus sign is there, so minus. Again multiply this 3x with this c. So it's a 3xc. 3xc. Now this is monomial, this is our binomial, two terms are there. So multiply this term with this first term, then put the plus sign, and again multiply this minus 2 with this 5a. So we can simply multiply this minus 2 with this minus 2a. So minus 2 into 2, so it's a minus 4a. A into a square. Minus 2 into 5, so it's a minus 10. A into b, ab. Again multiply this minus 2x with this 4x minus y. So multiply this 2x with 4x and multiply this 2x with minus y. So what is multiplication of this minus 2x with 4x? Minus 2 4s are minus 8. X into x, it's a x square. Again minus minus plus. Multiply this 2x with y, so it's a 2xy. Clear, students? Now again multiplication of first term, multiplication with the second term. So 2 into 1, 2, x square into x square. So we have to perform addition of this power, 2 plus 2, 4, x raised to 4. Then this sign. Now this 1 will multiply with this 3, so it's a 3 only. X square into y, so it's a x square y. And if two terms base are equal, then and then you can perform the addition of its power. Otherwise you have to keep that term as it is. So it's a x square into y is x square into y. Now for this case, again multiplication of monomial with binomial, two terms are there, minus sign is there. So first you have to multiply this monomial with this first term, then this second term. So minus 1 into 3, so it's a minus 3 x cube into x square. Base equal, perform addition of power. So it's a 3 plus 2, 5. So the x is 2, 5. Now again minus minus plus. Minus 1 into minus 2. So it's a 2 x cube y square. X cube y square. Unlike terms are there. So keep them as it is. Now for here minus 5 is there only. No variable in monomial. First term and second term. Multiply it with this first term and second term. So minus 5 to the minus 10 into x, minus minus plus 5 6 30. Now here first term and second term, 5 2 10 x square y raised to 4 minus 3 2 6 x square into x cube, so x raised to 5 y square. Clear, students? for the multiplication of these two terms, x square as it is, y square into y square, so you have to perform addition of the power of this y, so it's a 2 plus 2 4, so it's x square y 4. Now for the multiplication of these two terms, x square into x cube, so their base equal to perform addition of power, so 2 plus 3 is x is to 5 and y square as it is. Now here minus 2xy into 3x, so it's a minus 2 into 3 minus 6 x square y minus minus plus 5 2s are 10 x y square is there. Clear? So now again, what is the answer of this? Multiply 3 with 8, 3 8s are 24, multiply with this 3 with minus 6, it's a minus 18 into x. So this is your multiplication of monomial with binomial. Clear students? So pause the video to note it down. Okay students, now our next type of multiplication is binomial with binomial. Done? So what is binomial? Polynomial with two terms. So let us have considered two terms are, here we have considered, suppose y plus z, x into y plus z. So let us have considered two terms are, suppose a plus b. This is one binomial. Two terms are there. A and b are our two terms. So a plus b is one binomial. So you have to multiply this binomial with another binomial. So multiplication of this binomial with, suppose another binomial is c plus d. C is one term, d is another term. So c and d is another binomial. So total two binomials are there. First binomial is a plus b, another binomial is c plus d. Here have to perform the multiplication of this binomial with this binomial. So how can we perform this multiplication? So for the multiplication of this binomial, you have to consider first term of first binomial and the second term of this first binomial and multiply this each term with this second binomial. Again, for the multiplication of binomial with binomial, you have to consider first term of this first binomial and second term of this first binomial, and you have to separately multiply both the terms with this second binomial. How? This is first term a, so multiply this a with this entire bracket. So it will be a into c plus d, a into c plus d. Then consider the second term which is plus b. So plus b, multiply the second term with the second binomial. Clear students? So now this is again that we have studied multiplication of monomial with binomial. This is multiplication of monomial with binomial. It can be performed by multiplying this a with c plus multiplying this a with d. Similarly, multiply this b with c and multiply this b with d. That is monomial with binomial. That is our second type of multiplication that we already discussed. So this is nothing but the AC, a into c plus a d plus b into c, bc plus b into d, bd. So this is how you can perform the multiplication of binomial with binomial. So for the better understanding, let us now consider some examples. So student, first, suppose we have to multiply x plus 3 with y plus 2. Clear? So by getting the question, first you have to identify which type of multiplication is there, whether it is monomial with monomial, monomial with binomial, or binomial with binomial. Up to now we have studied only 3 types of multiplication. After then we will study different types of identities. So first your attempt to find the types of multiplication. So here it's a type of binomial with binomial type multiplication. So it can be simply performed by multiplying this first term of this first monomial with this entire bracket and this second term of this first monomial with this second term of the first binomial with this second binomial, है ना. फर्स्ट टर्म को पूरे ब्रैकेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है इन शॉर्ट, और सेकंड एलिमेंट को पूरे ब्रैकेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So first element is x, multiply with this entire bracket y plus 2. Then second element is plus 3, multiply with the entire bracket which is y plus 2, है ना. x को पूरे ब्रैकेट के साथ और 3 को पूरे ब्रैकेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. नाउ दिस वन, विच टाइप मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मोनोमियल विथ बाइनोमियल. तो इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसको इसके साथ, 3 को y के साथ, 3 को 2 के साथ. सो इट्स एक्स वाई प्लस x इंटू 2, 2x प्लस 3 इंटू y, 3y प्लस 3 इंटू 2, 6. So this is how you can perform multiplication of binomial with binomial. One more sum. Suppose you have to perform multiplication of a minus 3 into b plus 1. Again it's a binomial with binomial type multiplication. So first term and second term you have to multiply this both the terms with the second bracket. So first we are multiplying this a with this bracket, so it's a into b plus 1. Then you have to multiply this minus 3 with this entire bracket which is b plus 1. Now it's a again monomial with binomial, so it's a into b, ab, a into a into 1, so it's a a. Now here it's a minus sign is there and a minus 3 is there, so minus 3 multiply with b, so minus 3b, and again multiply this minus 3 with 1, so it's a minus 3. कैसे किया, 3 को b के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, 3 को a के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, a को b के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, a को 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स. देखते हैं अभी थर्ड सम. सपोज वी आर गिवन 2x minus 1, multiply it with 3y minus 2. Again it's a multiplication of binomial with binomial. This is first term, this is second term, this is entire bracket. फर्स्ट टर्म को ब्रैकेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, सेकंड टर्म को ब्रैकेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो इट विल बी 2x इंटू 3y माइनस 2 माइनस 1 इंटू 3y माइनस 2. अगेन एक्सपांशन, multiplication of this first term with this 3y, then multiplication of this 2y with minus 2. So it's a 2 3s are 6xy, 2 2s are 4, so it's a minus 4x minus 1 into minus 3, so it's a minus 3y minus 1 into minus 2, so minus minus plus, so it's a 2. Clear? So this is how you can perform the multiplication of binomial with binomial. Let's try one more sum, fourth, in which we have to multiply 5a plus 3y with 2x plus 3b. So binomial with binomial, first term, second term, multiply this both term with the second binomial. So that can be performed by multiplying this one with this entire bracket, 3y with the entire bracket. So it's a 5a into 2x plus 3b plus 3y into 2x plus 3b. Clear students? Now it's a monomial with binomial. So first term with 5a with the 2x, again 5a with the 3b. You have to multiply this 3y with 2x, then 3y with 3b. So what is the multiplication of this 5 and 2x? Monomial with monomial, coefficient parts, 5 2s are 10, 10 a into x, ax, 5 3s are 15 ab plus 3y into 2x, 3 2s are 6 xy, then 3y into 3b, 3 3s are 9 by, so it's a 9 by. Clear? एक और एग्जांपल करते हैं. सपोज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज दैट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस m cube plus 2 with 3n minus 5. What you have to do? It's a binomial with binomial, first term, second term, this is second binomial, multiply this both term with the entire bracket, फर्स्ट इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, बाद में इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो इट्स एम क्यूब इंटू 3n माइनस 5 प्लस 2 इंटू 3n minus 5. Now students, again it's a monomial with binomial, monomial with the binomial multiplication. Multiply with the first term, then second term, multiply this 2 with the first term, then second term. So m squared into 3n, so it's a 3m cube n, then 1 into 5, so it's a minus 5m cube, then 2 into 3, it's a plus 6n minus 10. 2 5s are 10, minus 10 is the answer. Clear? Now last example of this multiplication. Suppose we are given a raised to 4 minus 1 and b square plus 2. क्या करना है, फर्स्ट टर्म और सेकंड टर्म को पूरे ब्रैकेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एक ही मेथड से जाना है. फर्स्ट इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, बाद में इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू a रेज टू 4, इट्स अ b स्क्वायर प्लस 2 माइनस 1 इंटू b स्क्वायर प्लस 2. नाउ बाइनोमियल विथ बाइनोमियल इज नाउ कन्वर्टेड इनटू मोनोमियल विथ बाइनोमियल. अगेन इसको दोनों टर्म के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये 1 को दोनों टर्म के साथ अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो, सो इट्स a रेज टू 4 इंटू b स्क्वायर, सो a रेज टू 4 इंटू b स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into 1, so it's a 2a raised to 4. Now here minus 1 into 1, so it's a minus 1 b square, minus 1 into 2, so it's a minus 2. Clear students? So to understand, for the better understanding, try more and more sums, do practice for this type of multiplication. This is the basic of expansion. Clear? So here we have studied total 3 types of expansion, that is monomial with monomial, monomial with binomial, and binomial with binomial multiplication. So by considering this binomial with binomial multiplication, we will derive some identities which are the most important topic of your entire mathematics. Clear? So watch this video carefully, revise it and share with your friends, and do more practice in mathematics. So thank you from